In this stream I am going to discuss one of the modules that will be helpful for the Psycho Experience Accelerator or learning of SSA. So recently I started learning Psycho XSA, and there are some documents and some useful videos, but I also contacted one of my friends in Psycho community, Pradeep Shukla, and he is expert in this XXA Psycho XXA area, and he's also Psycho MVP, and he pointed me out about the material that he used to learn Psycho XXA, which is Psycho ShowCase module or the project that is done by Cognifide. So there is this, and I think it should be done by Adam, who is also the creator of the Sitecore SXA. So today we will try out to install this and see how it comes out for our learning purposes. So this is Pradeep's blog where he explained the process. So this is one, this is the source Cognifide ShowCase project. So I'm going to clone this, copy this, and okay, I think I have empty project. I'll delete that. Okay, so yeah, okay, it is getting cloned. So this is my Psycho 9.1 instance. Let's log into backend also, and while it is getting cloning, I will open the Visual Studio also in administrator mode. Okay, so I just to give you full information, I tried out a few minutes back earlier, and it got failed due to some unicorn issue, so I had to clone it and try to find out the reason. So I will explain what was the issue also after. So okay, it got cloning is done. Okay, we can see the project, and we'll open the project in Visual Studio and the solution. So this is a simple solution where you have the configs for mainly for the unicorn. Okay, and in the as the next step, asking to in the showcase user config, we will have to point it to our git folder, copy it, and I change this value to my git folder. Okay, so let's try to build the solution, and then ask to publish it. Okay, so I'm going to publish it. Let's publish it, and folder, browse, pub www. Okay, so yep, publish. So let's try to access unicorn. I think I should be successful because I did a fix. Let's see. Okay, let's wait until it get loaded. So unicorn comes up, but in your case you will initially find it, this will throw an error. So reason for this is, while I found it, okay, I will show you this error. Okay, I can show you, we'll try to recreate the error. Okay, let's go into where was my configs. Include Nikon. I have a fix here, I will show you in a moment. I disable it. Okay, let's now try to see, because that this file I mentioned, it is in not including the original file. So what I initially saw it, once I try to go into the unicorn, it throws me an error. Okay, I cannot log in as administrator or something, some kind of error. Let's see. Yep, this one. So it didn't allow me to log in. Okay, so if you want, I can log in first. Okay, now so I'm logging, so I'm going to unicorn. As you can see, even I am logging, I cannot so I did, after that I did some investigation, and this is what I found in 9.1 unicorn. There is not allowed to access the unicorn.txt panel. So Corey Smith has done a fix, provided a fix for that one. So what we should do is, I just duplicate this one and rename it to fix, and I will remove and we'll go into paste this. Okay, so and then publish it again. Okay, this done. Let's see now. Okay, and so after the publish is asking to, we have to sync the Unicode. Okay, let's wait while until the Unicode page is loaded, because I just did the publish. It is Sitecore got restarted. So okay, got it. So I'm going to sync. Hopefully everything will go fine. So it is syncing lot of items. Okay, in showcase, home, presentation. Okay, like it is to take some time. So here what is asked in the block, it's asking to using the unicorn. Okay, and after that we should see this structure. We'll see after the still 20%. Oh, so now it's syncing the themes, media library themes, showcase, so those items. So meanwhile it is syncing. The idea which Pradeep mentioned was this can be used as if you are familiar. There was earlier for the early versions there was a site called Launch Sitecore, which it is simply a simple website built on Sitecore with all the items and all the code, and we can just install it in as a package. Let's see. So you can see this Launch Sitecore. So let's see if it is still there. So we use this one to install, so you can get this site installed as a package and you can try out. I'm not sure whether this is available for 9 versions, but earlier 8 till 8 I think it was available. So in the same concept, we can install this one in our environment, and then we can go through it, and this is a simple site. We can go how it is implemented, how setup is done. We can investigate and learn how the things should be done correctly. So that is the concept behind getting this one into work. Okay. And also in recent times for the learning Helix principles, there was habitat sites, demo sites, and also JSS. There is a site or solution, JSS habitat home psycho omni, so habitat fitness app, something like that. So there's a lot of resources. So this is the one for the SXA. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it's syncing the content. So it's 80%. Final parts getting synced. So you have to bear with me on this one. So you can here you can skip this installation part and directly go into the so meanwhile it is installing. Let's try to see if you can see any how what has been installed. Okay, let's see. First go into templates. Okay, you can see ShowCase project test got installed. Okay, let's see the media library project and ShowCase images and files got installed. Themes and also themes. Let's see, themes is there. Okay, and let's see. You can see, let's see. Okay, and can't finish but with the error. Okay, but I think it's got error trying to publish, so you can at least see master. So yeah, so you can see settings, home, item, everything has got created. Site, let's just see how the site grouping is working. And site item. Okay, for the host name, let's I'm just trying to make it master, and for the host name I'm going to give root. Okay, this one. Okay, we have to do the same, add a binding for that host name. Okay, it tells to add a host entry also. Nice this. Okay. see if it loads. So we have set the language also, just in case. Meanwhile, site is loading. Let's see how it works in the experience center mode. It's taking a little bit time. Yeah, it looks very good. So you can see. Yes. So I just want to see how it works with page editor. Let's wait. Sorry about this, guys. So it is taking a little bit time to load on my machine. Okay, I don't see any issues. So okay. Very nice. So I just want to see here. There were some issues that mentioned in the blog by Pradeep, but they have provided patch. Adam has provided patch to solve that. This is for the experience center, but earlier versions and SXA earlier versions, and also here you can see SXA 1.7. Also there is a package, but I'm not sure I should see anything here. Let's see, I'll try to install that also. supports. Let's see different page, about us page. So this is that link. I download the package. Okay, I don't see any issues with the, because I'm using I think 1.8 SSA, so I think I don't need to install that package in 1.8. Okay, so yep, that's how you install it, and after installing you can go through how the site is configured, how the presentations and everything is configured. For example, partial design, how the partial designs are done. Let's see how the partial design for the header, that is for this section, is done. So as you can see, yeah, so this is a different image component, this is a menu component. I think this should be that issue, maybe that mention alignment. Yeah, that's good. Anyway, that's fine because we have a working version. So okay, so that's it to try. So I'm going to see and trying to, this is a very useful module, so I'm going to go through this and try to understand how this works. Okay, so that's it for today. It took a little bit while, so if you in the middle you can skip the installation part. So until Unicorn installation part, until next time, bye.